Now, the same thing goes for the SD card. So you might be wondering how you can even put an SD card inside of your GoPro. Now, this process is also the same way. So you want to go and flip over your GoPro Hero off to the side, and then you'll be able to see that little flap port again. Click onto this button right here, this little flap indicator down. Click this down, and it will go ahead and pop this open. Once you pop this thing open, you'll have that little SD card icon, this little SD card, micro SD card port right there next to the charging port, and then you can go through, insert that SD card right over there, and then you'll be able to start actually using that SD card inside of your GoPro. Whenever you're ready, click it in, go and flap this thing down and close it, and then you're basically good to go.